You want a real estate deal analyzer that tells you whether the deal actually works. Here is how the workflow goes. You enter an address. The tool returns as is value, after repair value, market rent, and the comps behind them. Then you add the two things only you know, your rehab scope and your financing terms. Out comes cash flow, cash on cash return, and projected profit. That is the entire loop, 2 inputs from you, and the rest pulled off the address. The part worth understanding is that the math was never the bottleneck. Anyone can build the spreadsheet. The bottleneck is trustworthy inputs. Say you buy at $180,000 and budget $40,000 in repairs. If your after repair value is off by 8% on a $300,000 exit, that is $24,000, which on most deals is the entire margin. Investors stress test the rehab number constantly and almost never stress test the value number. One more thing people skip. Run the same house both ways, as a resale and as a long-term rental, before you commit. A property can be a thin flip and a perfectly good rental at the same time, and you only learn that by analyzing both exits. The deal analyzer is linked below. Run your next address through it.